Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. For further updates, don't forget to hit the bell icon. In today's generation, it is not only middle class or low class people who are targeted or criticized for, but it also includes high class professionals who are equally criticized or targeted for maybe various other reasons. And in all this, media plays a very important role. For media, every single thing becomes a breaking news. For example, if a minister has a slippery fall, it's a breaking news. A tree gets uprooted, again it's a breaking news. If a minister has a simple dog bite, again it's a breaking news. And if at all an artist by mistake slaps somebody, it's a highlight, again it's a breaking news. And this is why it happens that people tend to be obsessed with today's media. In all this negativity, there is something which people likes the most and people love him a lot. Sometimes it so happens that people tend to lose or leave all their household chores just to come near the TV to watch him or listen to him or hear his debate. It's none other than the fame of Prudent Media News channel, Mr. Pramod Acharya. Goa's #1 editor, journalist and anchor by profession, whose programs like Debates Head On has set high standards in today's TRP. So let's take a quick look at his life history. Let's view his life history and let's see from how he as a young boy became a perfect journalist. So Mojo Borobor Asa is Pramod Acharya and I'm honored that you have given us the permission.
The honor is mine.
Yeah. Alright, so let's start with the interview. Name: Pramod Acharya. Date of birth: 7th November 1984. Place: Kankona.
How Kankonso? I did my primary education in Marathi.
Okay.
And till 12th I studied in Kankon. So पयली हांवें स्कूलिंग जें आसा म्हजें I studied in a government primary school.
Okay.
थंयच्यान there is a nice school पैंगिणी श्रद्धानंद विद्यालय. थंय I did my SSC. And खूब जाण जे आमच्या प्रोफेशनां येतात ते सदांच म्हणटात की we came into this profession by accident. So I didn't come into this profession by accident. हांव जेन्ना श्रद्धानंद विद्यालयाक शिकतालो तेन्ना from standard 8 I decided that I want to be a journalist. आनी ताकाच लागून I got distinction in my 10th standard. आनी तेन्ना एक टिपिकल आसतालें की डिस्टिंक्शन जर मेळटा जाल्यार सायन्साक वचपाचें म्हणून. So I chose that I am going to go for arts. कारण my thing was that is not my line at all. आनी सायन्साक जरी गेलो जाल्यार खंय तरी फेल जातलो आनी परत आर्ट्साकच पावतलो. सो वाय टू टेक दॅट पाथ आनी हांव आर्ट्साक गेलो. थंय इन हायर सेकंडरी आय वेंट फॉर S.A. सांगले हायर सेकंडरी. वी गॉट ग्रेट टिचर्स देर. इन श्रद्धानंद ऑल्सो आय गॉट ग्रेट टिचर्स. देर ऑल्सो आय गॉट ग्रेट टिचर्स जांचो उद्देश जो आसा तो फक्त अभ्यास स्टडी असो नाशिल्लो. दे ऑलवेज said that if a child is coming to my school or my campus, जाल्यार आमी ताचो ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट पळोवपा जाय. आनी तो जर ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट जालो जाल्यारूच दॅट चायल्ड वील कम आउट एज अ गूड सिटीजन. So those are the kind of teachers we got, and that is fortunate to got those teachers. आणि ताणी जो गायडन्स दिलो, स्टेज फियर काडून उडयलो. कॅमेरा मुखार उलोवप इज फार मोर इजियर दॅन टॉकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ 1000-10,000 पीपल. सो स्टेज फियर जो काडून उडोवपाची प्रोसेस आसा, ती प्रोसेस त्या स्कुलांतल्यान सुरू जाली, हायर सेकंडरीक सुरू जाली. आणि अशी टीचर्स मेळ्ळे ताणी सांगलें की स्टडी वेल, but don't just do that. So that I think that is the biggest thing that you can tell a 15-year-old or a 16-year-old or a 17-year-old. Ki there is life beyond this classroom, and explore that, and we will help you to explore that. I think to jo pravas asa, ती जी journey asa, I think that is the most important journey. That telling that teenager, don't worry, you can go beyond this classroom and do that. आणि at every step ते टिचर्सांनी गायड केलो, हेल्प केलो. आणि यू आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स इन वेन यू आर इन दॅट एज अँड दॅट स्टेज. आणि यू गो अँड आस्क दोज क्वेश्चन्स टू युअर टीचर्स. तर ताणी ते पासियसी दाखयलें की इवन समटायम्स गुड क्वेश्चन्स, बॅड क्वेश्चन्स, ग्रेट क्वेश्चन्स, स्टुपीड क्वेश्चन्स, त्या पासियसान आन्सर करप. And not just being the teacher to teach a syllabus, but a teacher who can guide you. I think that is the biggest thing. And एक काणकोणा सारख्या गांवा भितर to have those kind of institutions and those kind of teachers, I think that's all.
Okay, distinction student Mutos, were you naughty or something? I don't.
I was naughty in the sense मस्ती खूप केली, करपाकय जाय. I still believe करपाक जाय. आणि एक डिस्टिंक्शन मेळ्ळें, आय कॅन टेल यू व्हेरी फ्रँकली की म्हाका सायन्साचो भंय दिसतालो, म्हाका अजून भंय दिसता. आय लव सायन्स मुवीज, आय लव सायफाय मुवीज, बट इफ यू आस्क मी टू डू दॅट अँड बी दॅट, आय एम अफ्रेड टू डू दॅट. सो माय मदर टोल्ड मी वेन आय वॉज इन 10th स्टँडर्ड की बाबा पळय, बिकॉज आय हॅड नो प्रॉब्लेम्स विथ अदर सब्जेक्ट्स, बट आय स्टील हॅव अ फियर फॉर सायन्स अँड मॅथ्स. म्हाका अजून भंय दिसता. माय मदर टोल्ड मी की तूं you do anything but at least get passing marks in science and maths. Fail jayna ka. So that was my thing. So for me the target in SSC was science and maths fail jawap na and score brilliantly in other subjects, which I did. And I got distinction because of other subjects, not because of science and maths.
Okay, so from at the standard 8 you thought that you're going to do journalism.
I wanted to be a journalist from that age, yeah.
Okay, so it was not by force.
No, not by force, not by accident, nothing. It was a very well planned decision for me. And at that stage, good thing parents also never told me to do this, do that. Okay, you want to do this, do this. So that was it.
Okay. To his success, Rajdeep Sardesai and Sandesh Prabhu Desai has been his inspiration that he strongly narrates.
I think when I was in higher secondary, I admired Rajdeep Sardesai a lot. आणि खूप आवडटालें की डिबेट्स पळोवप. दॅट टायम NDTV, स्टायल ऑफ डिबेट, द न्यूट्रॅलिटी. आणि I started just madly following him. The second person who has a great contribution in what I am is our journalist Sandesh Prabhu Desai. So I still remember आमच्या हायर सेकंडरी भितर युवा साहित्य संमेलन जाल्लें. आणि इन अ साहित्य संमेलन there are different categories. Now again, as I told you, नाटक, poetry, essay, story, novel. आणि तेजे सेशन्स चलतालीं क्लासरुमा भितर. इट वॉज ऑल गोवा साहित्य, कोंकणी साहित्य संमेलन. आणि संदेश बा being in Konkani movement and very closely associated with the literary movement, he was there. And you had to choose in which session you want to sit. And he was not addressing any session, he was just there. So I did not sit in any session. I still remember म्हज्या हायर सेकंडरी भितर एक भायर एक झाड आशिल्लें आनी त्या झाडाचे बरे सारके चिऱ्यांनी बांदून काडिल्ले पॅड कशें. हांव गेलो आनी त्या पॅडार ताका घेवन बसलो. आय टोल्ड हिम की म्हाका म्हण हें एकूय सेशन अटेंड करपाचें ना. आय वॉन्ट टू बी अ जर्नलिस्ट. Why should I sit in this? Okay, I like to write stories. I like to write poems. But why should I sit and learn the details of it? I want to be a journalist. So I'm sitting with you, and he was already a journalist.
Okay.
So at that point, त्या पेडार बशिल्ले कडेन ताणें म्हाका एकच गजाल सांगली, तुका जर शिकपाक जाय, एंड I was in 12th standard.
Okay.
शिकपाक जाय जाल्यार एक गजाल कर, go to a small newspaper and start working. Don't go to a big newspaper. And he told me there was a small newspaper called Rashtramat in Margaon. He was working from Margaon. It was one of those newspapers who had headquarters in Margaon. And दूसरी गजाल म्हणपाक लागलो, don't expect anything. Just go and work.
Okay.
So I said, will they take me? He said, let's see. You complete your 12th first, because that is important. That is more important. That is immediate goal. That 12th तुगेले बरे mark पडपाक जाय, and then let's see. And at that point of time, my teachers told me very nicely, they said, once we know your capability, so एकदा 12वी जाली की काणकोण राव नाका. Go to Margaon or go to Ponji. And I had my relatives in Margaon, I had my relatives in Panjim, and I decided that 12th I got distinction again, in spite of being naughty. Again because it is arts. And arts म्हणजे सगळे subjects म्हाका चड शिकपाक पडनाशिल्ले. So because I liked those subjects. I liked political science, I liked sociology, I liked economics. So it was never like a burden that I'm studying something. I was enjoying that. If I had gone to science, it would have been a nightmare for me. And ते सगळे शिकलो, I got that, and I came to Chowgule College. And I think within 3 months after, because my uncle's home is in Margaon, I was staying at my uncle's place. आणि 3 महिन्या भितर म्हाका दिसता I went to Rashtramat.
Okay.
Almost probably 8-9 months after that conversation on that pad. And Sitaram Tengse, a veteran journalist, was the editor. I just went into it, and at that age, you don't mind protocols. And you don't mind getting insulted also, because who are you? You are nothing, no? Today I'll be, if somebody insults me, but at that time, you are 17 years old, why do you have to care? I went, I knocked on his door. Very senior, was senior most journalist that time. I went. So he said, कितें आहा? So I सांगलें, म्हाका काम करपा जाय.
Okay.
So म्हणपाक कसलें काम करपा जाय? आमी कितें न्ही. So म्हणपाक तूं खंयचो? Because he is also originally from Kankon.
Okay.
हांव काणकोणचो जाल्यार तूं कोणाचो चलो? हांवें जाल्यार अमकाच चलो. तुका हांगा कोणी येवन सांगला?
Okay.
हांवें संदेश प्रभुदेसाय So he said, he sent you here. I said, yeah. He said, he told me that go here, study. And he can't answer. I said, okay, come from tomorrow.
Okay.
Nothing, no more discussion. Come from tomorrow.
Okay.
So I went next day, and we used to get those national news from PTI. And he gave me a bunch of this big.
Okay.
And he said, translate.
That is the first thing which I was asked to translate.
And there is no better exercise for a upcoming journalist than that.
Okay.
That because I knew English, I knew Marathi, I knew Konkani. And I used to translate from English to Konkani. And I think probably for 7-8 months I did that.
Yeah, the same thing.
Finish your lectures at 11:30 in Chowgule. 12 o'clock I used to be in Rashtramat.
Okay.
And then work till 11-12
Okay.
at night. And I loved it. I just loved it. So almost 7-8 months, what's up? काम करप, दवरिल्लो आसतालो, घेवप, बसप, start translating, give that to the sub-editor. And I think after 6 months or 7 months, he called me in his cabin. And म्हणटालो, कसो चल्लो तुगेलें? हांवें बरें चल्लां. बरें हांव शिकता म्हण. It was a learning experience. It was not only translation. You are interacting with the sub-editors. You are actually getting to know the system, how a newspaper functions. You are actually getting to see how he works. A journalist with a 40-year experience, how he works, how he writes his editorials, how he plans the next day's edition. It was a great learning experience. So 6 months later, ताणें म्हाका आपयलो आपल्या केबिना भितर आनी कसो चल्ला? बरें चल्लां. आतां म्हणपाक दिसता आपल्याक तुका इल्लो पगार दिवचो असो.
Okay.
So I worked without salary for So I said D. so he only decided my first salary. And I think after 6 months I started getting at that time I think 2,000 rupees as a salary. So I said, whatever you give me 1,000 rupees also, maka kai problem na. And I started. Then almost a year later, Sandesh Bhai, as we call him, he wanted to revamp Sunaparan
Okay, yeah.
and do the from black and white to color. Even Sunaparan was functioning from Margao, shifted to Panji. I was in Margao. So after 1 year, I asked him. He asked me. Sorry, he said, "I'm doing this. Would you like to join me?" I said, "I'm here because of what you told me." So I said, "Why would I?" Only thing is that it is very difficult to go back to Tengse sir and tell him that he also gave me that opportunity, for a year. And then I was nothing. What was I? And even then I was nothing. So he just said, "Come from tomorrow." So he said, "Ulon pade."
Okay.
So I went to Tengse sir. I said, Sandesh bhai nu phone kello. And by then everybody knew that he is trying to revamp Sunapara. आपयता तो तुका काउंट पालो. I mean, हय. कितें करूं? I said, this is it. I mean, म्हाका मागीर दिसता शिकपा मेळटलें because it's again you are revamping a newspaper. So it's a great learning process for any journalist that you are just leaving something behind. You are trying to create something new. You have to rethink every aspect of a newspaper from a fresh perspective. That's a great learning experience at my age. I was 17, 18.
Yeah.
And I was working full time.
Okay.
So I started working full time from the age of 18. So I said, okay. तर मला एक गजाल सांगता की हांगाय रावन you won't grow much. It's a small newspaper. This is a great experience, and Sandesh Bhai is a great guy. He's a great editor. So go.
Okay.
And I left. I joined Sunaparan. I started working because my college was in Margao. So for almost 2-3 years, I worked in Margao. I used to look after crime and legal reporting. It's again a great learning experience. Crime and legal. And after 2 years, I finished my college. And then Sandesh Bhai only asked me to come to Panji. So then I started traveling from Margao to Panji every day. And I started reporting in Panji. During that time, Rajdeep left NDTV.
Okay.
And he decided that he wants to launch a channel like CNN IBN.
Okay.
So he wanted new guys in every location. So he was scouting for them. So somehow I managed to get his number. And I didn't want to leave Sunaparan. There was not a full-time job that time for Goa.
Yeah.
So I said I want to try. And I got in touch with Rajdeep somehow. I never expected that I'll ever get in touch with Rajdeep in my life. It's an absolute dream. Dream is much more than dream. Nothing. You can't explain that feeling that when I still remember I was in Margao office of Sunaparan. And I sent him a text wishing him all the best on a new channel and a courageous decision to leave NDTV and try something on his own. And I wished him. I said all the best and I am so and so. And he replied, I still remember that SMS verbatim. He said, "Thanks a lot, stay in touch."
Okay.
I never expected him to reply. But he's still the same Rajdeep Sarda. He's still that humble, still that different kind of a person. And it was great. I said, my life is made, done. Nothing else matters. Rajdeep Sardesai has replied to my message, 18-year-old boy. And then I stayed in touch and he asked one day whether he would like to work. And it was not a full-time job. So I could have continued doing Sunaparan as well as this. So I asked Sandesh Bhai if I can do this because I'm anyway moving on the field. I just have to move with a camera. That's it. So if I can do this, he gladly gave the permission. I was a staff reporter of Sunaparan. Yet he gave me the permission.
Okay.
And I think even Rajdeep spoke to him, if I remember correctly. And he asked about me, whether this is a reliable guy. And I still remember Sandesh Bhai told him that he's a reliable guy but very new.
Okay.
So there might be some bumps and you might have to bear with those bumps. So, and he said, okay, I don't mind. I need reliability. Bumps can be tackled, and that's how I started. I bought my first camera, Panasonic, small handycam, and I started moving on the field.
Okay.
For CNN,
CNN.
since first CNN IBN that time, yeah, and now CNN News 18, and that's how it started. So almost 4.5 years.
Pramod Acharya has worked for the largest news channel, CNN News 18, and has a lot of travel history, maybe because of his media work or maybe due to his personal work.
When again Sandesh bhai wanted to leave Sunaparant and join Prudent, and he wanted to revamp Prudent.
Okay.
So again, that was a fascinating temptation that you are revamping a channel now. So you're from revamping a newspaper, you are revamping a channel. So I said, great, nothing like it. So I spoke to Rajdeep. So he said, don't leave. What are you doing? So I said, no, I want to do this. This is for Goa. Goa, I firmly believe that Goa needs a 24-hour channel, because till then, we used to send those DVDs to cable operators. And cable operators used to play that news at their convenient time on their channel. There was not an independent full-fledged channel. So this was a project which was independent full-fledged channel. And Avadut Bab Timlo is our promoter. So he was committed to it. Let's do this. So he said, okay, fine. It's again new experience. So Rajesh said, are you sure you want to do this? I said, I'm sure I want to do this. I said, I can always fall back upon you, but I want to do this because this is something fascinating. This is for Goa. आणि म्हाका म्हणे दिसता की गोंयाक 24 वरांचे चॅनल आसपाक जाय, चलपाक शकता. जशें when I joined CNN IBN, nobody believed that Goa can give 20-25 stories in a month. They said they had an image of Goa in their mind. A typical stereotyped Goan image. So they never thought that there is so much news in Goa. So I said, I did it, no? I gave you 20 to 25 stories in a month, which you never thought that you would get. I still remember, and the first appreciation of I got that, and that is a very interesting story. It was a New Year Eve. And in New Year, they used to always come from Mumbai, go to the beach areas, get those parties, get those things. And like every year, they sent a Ubi van, a special crew to do that. And they went to Kalangut, Baga, Anjuna. So I was there, no? I was a local reporter. So they asked me, what story would you give? So I said, I want to do something different. He said, okay, we are in North. Will you cover parties in South? So I said, no, you cover parties. I said, I'll go to a church and I'll show you how Goans celebrate New Year. I'll go to a church, I'll cover the midnight mass, then I'll cover all the things that happens till morning. The dance and the way we dance, the way we celebrate. I said, we don't go to Tito's. So we have a different way. So I went to Betalbati church, I went to Benavli church also. I took the visuals of mass, and then that was nice. The New Year. So I went to I covered that traditional way how Goans do it. And I sent that story, and they were fascinated. And they said, we never saw this. So I said, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm the local guy. You come from Mumbai, you go to Baga, Kalangut, you get those parties. The Indians from rest of India coming to Goa to party and New Year. I'm going to show you how Goans do it. I said, that's my job. And that's how I started working. So I said, it's the same thing. You never thought that Goa has so many facets. I covered Bondera. It was only Carnival. It was only Carnival. Everybody used to come cover Carnival. Nobody used to cover Bondera. I started covering Bondera. Everything. I started covering Shivoli floats. So every time I took them to the villages, interior Goa, pure cultural things. Cultural things, those are when there is a breaking news, there is a breaking news. So otherwise, those facets of Goa which world needs to see, and which is beyond that party destination, glam, glitter. So then those are colorful stories. So they liked it. So I told Rajiv, the way it happened, I want to do this also. And I joined Prudent.
Pramod Acharya is said to have a long journey in media industry, starting from Rashtrapat newspaper, which did not put an end on his career further on.
I'm here.
From that now,
I'm here.
how many years has passed now?
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
Okay, without any junk here and there.
No,
just
no,
prudent.
no. Just prudent because it's still a fascinating journey, still growing. And most importantly, it's for Goa. Generally, किसा झालंय की it's a job. Now, this is not a job. This is for Goa. It is today Goa's biggest media brand. We have presence everywhere. TV, Facebook, Twitter, app, website.
Okay. So how much is social networking sites like kitla role play करता आमच्या कित्याक जायते फावटी even there are updated with fake prudent IDs or even they
Yeah. That's why we changed the format of our breaking. You first usually we used to send a text. Then people started manipulating that text, amending text, sending fake. Then we started making those templates which you can't amend.
right.
You have to either send that templates. We are taking corrective measures as much as we can. See, social media, anything in life is a double-edged sword. How you use it is a
Ever since its establishment, Prudent Media has been the one name on the tongue of every Goenkas. Pramod Acharya, being the editor of this news channel, shares his experience for being in the field of media industry for nearly 19 years. His dedication, his passion towards his work makes him a complete journalist, wherein he highly says,
my newsroom philosophy that it is okay if you are late by a minute, but don't be wrong by a mile.
and is happy to be a part of Prudent family. A humble man with a smiling face is very rare enough that you get to see in media industry, but I think this is something that makes him a perfect journalist.
जर नॉट जर्नलिस्ट मे बी पोट भरपाकच जाय एडवर्टायझिंग
Advertising.
Yeah.
Okay.
because I write,
Okay.
because I can come up with good catchphrases, I can come up with good jingles.
Politician कसो interview करपाक choose केले? Why do you choose of interviewing politician?
अगेन तो इन्फ्लुअन्स आशिल्लो राजदीपाचो आणि when me and Sandesh bhai decided to take this journey again, he was doing Dhiryo. If you remember Dhiryo,
Yeah.
very famous. So he was doing Dhiryo, so he was caught into a debate format. आणि चॅनलाची रिक्वायरमेंट आशिल्ली 1-to-1 इंटरव्यू करपाक जाय न्ही. If there is 1-to-1 interview and there is a debate format. So he was doing debate.
Okay.
So I decided I'll do 1-to-1, and then I came up with that name Head On.
Head on.
It's still there.
Okay. So how many interviews have you done? Do you remember at least?
I started season 3 this week, post COVID, or post first wave of COVID. So season 3. So I think first was Odessi, 250.
Okay.
I think second was around 200. Yeah, so 450.
How do you prepare yourself to ask the questions to the politicians?
Initially I was, आता हांव करना. Because
Now you're
तूं जर पळयलें जाल्यार I don't even sit with the paper.
Yeah.
Because we are 24/7 into it. That's the point. की आमी सकाळ फुडें उठले, दनपार जेवपाक गेले, राती न्हिदपाक गेले, continuously into it.
There are certain questions sometimes like तुमकां विचारपाक जाय आसता, मे बी तुज्या मायंडान फिट केलेले आसता, बट सर्टन थिंग्स तुमकां जे कितें जाय भायर काडपाक पॉलिटिशियना कडच्यान ते तेंचे भायर येयना, तेन्ना तुमकां कितले हें दिसता?
I sit in that chair एकच गजाल चिंतून, म्हाका कांय कळना
ओके.
आनी म्हाका कांय खबर ना. ऑल्दो म्हाका कांय गजाली खबर आसात, म्हाका कांय खबर ना. कारण आयडिया कितें की लेट दॅट पर्सन टॉक. आनी इंटरव्यूआचो पर्पज हो न्ही की म्हाका ताजे परस चड कळटा किंवा हांव ताजे परस चड हुशार. म्हजी भुमिका आसपाक की म्हाका कांय कळना. वाय? कारण जर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ शो लायक हेड ऑन, आमची रेग्युलर व्ह्युअरशीप जी आसता ती अरावंड 6 लाख ते 7 लाख टीव्हीचेर आसता आनी ऑलमोस्ट 4 ते 5 लाख डिजिटल आसता. सो आय हॅव टू थिंक अबाउट अ पर्सन जाका हांव ह्या इश्यूचेर उलयतां ते ताका कांयच खबर ना. एंड आय शूड एंगेज दॅट पर्सन. कारण जांकां खबर आसा तांकां खबर आसा, खबर ना ताका डिस्कनेक्ट फील जावपाक जायना. एंड इफ आय कॅन एंगेज दॅट पर्सन आय हॅव सक्सिडेड. सो फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दॅट इज आय नीड टू बी दॅट पर्सन. समटायम्स अशें दिसतलें की हो इतले सादे प्रश्न कित्याक विचारता. बिफोर आय गो टू द हार्ड हिटींग क्वेश्चन इतली सोपी प्रश्न कित्याक इतली बेजीक प्रश्न कित्याक विचारता बट देन आय फील इट इज रिक्वायर्ड देर मायट बी 10% पॉप्युलेशन जांकां खबर ना
Right.
माय जॉब इज टू एनलायटन देम गिव देम इन्फॉर्मेशन सो आय आस्क दोज देन आय आस्क द हार्ड हिटिंग वन्स बट आय सिट विथ वन सिंपल ब्लँक मायंड म्हाका खबर ना
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So तुका जी खबर ना ती आयची ऑडियन्साक सांगली.
म्हाका खबर ना हें चिंतूनच हांव बसता
All right. फुडें हांव तुका विचारूंक सोदता आतां अशें म्हणटात की प्रेस जाल्यार 12 इयर्साचे तुका एक्सपिरियन्स आसा इन द प्रेस सो टेल मी
No, 12-year experience in Prudent.
Yeah. Till then.
So total will be what? 18, 19. Yeah.
So experienced journalist I have.
Yeah, 18, 19. Yeah.
Alright.
Total will be
So,
18, 19.
Tell me something. Press, अशें म्हणटा information लिपयता they hide. What do you believe? How far you believe?
कितें करतले लिपोवन?
Tell me.
What do I get by hiding information? I don't get nothing. No?
Hmm.
It's not about hiding information.
Hmm.
We don't filter information also. Very frankly.
Hmm.
करना कोण? कारण करून आयच्या हातून भितर फायदोच ना.
Hmm.
थंय इतलें कॉम्पिटिशन आसा. तूं लिपयता दुसरो कोण तरी सांगतलो.
Hmm.
तें आज तूं करूंक शक्यच ना. इफ ऑल मिडिया डिसाइड्स की आमी लिपयता म्हणून कोण तरी फेसबुकार घालतलो
Hmm.
कोण तरी ट्विटराचेर घालतलो
सारकें.
सो यू कांट हायड इन्फॉर्मेशन
Hmm.
एक गजाल जी हांव सदांच आमच्या न्यूज रुमाकय सांगता हांव खंय लेक्चराक इन जर्नलिझम स्टुडंट्साक लेक्चर दिवपाक गेल्यारूय सांगता दिस इज माय न्यूज रूम फिलॉसॉफी
Hmm.
दॅट इट इज ओके इफ यू आर लेट बाय अ मिनिट बट डोंट बी रॉंग बाय अ मायल
Hmm.
So don't be wrong. Give facts, verify facts, and give facts.
Okay.
I shot a promo for our channel couple of days back, so I wanted to write those lines.
Okay.
So what are the lines? See, I just wrote them saying that we are not here to tell you the truth
Hmm.
because your truth can be different than mine.
Hmm. Okay.
We are here to tell you the facts.
Hmm.
Facts, nothing but the facts. I think I sincerely believe in that.
Okay.
की आय कॅनॉट डिटरमाइन युअर ट्रूथ कारण तुजी बिलीफ सिस्टम जी असता जातूंतल्यान तुजें ट्रूथ फॉर्म जाता
Hmm.
इज बेस्ड ऑन युअर एक्सपिरियन्सीस
Okay.
आय माइट नॉट हॅव दोज एक्सपिरियन्सीस सो आय थिंक अबाउट अ पर्टिक्युलर थिंग इन पर्टिक्युलर वे
Hmm.
बट फॅक्ट्स आर सेम
Every time you'll get new facts. जायते फावटी पोलिटिशियनाकडे तुम्ही स्टोरी हाडटा. But do you all have you all any time got a pressure like म्हणजे pressurized करता I don't know.
करतलेच न्ही if my story is going to hurt somebody तो करतलोच he will try or she will try everything possible pressures येतात but it's a part of the job.
Let's take a look at some of his achievements.
I have faced many controversy in the sense my shows have created lot of controversy. The biggest controversy was when Manohar Parrikar BJPचा national president जावपाक शकता आशिल्लो but he came up with that thing about Advani and called him a rancid pickle which became a national headline. His chance of becoming the BJP national president went away. So on shows many controversies because of the shows.
Okay.
खूप जाल्यात and it's nice because if somebody else is taking note of your work at a national level and taking it up, creating a story out of it, good, absolutely good. I'm the only son.
The only one.
I'm the only one. So that's why I'm saying fortunate to have parents like that. कारण when you are the only child, the normal tendency असता की जो expectations असता ते काढून ताजे माथ्यार घालपाची. So that did not happen with me. And at home also, they gave me books, they gave me other avenues. They said go beyond studies, read, write,
Okay.
explore. So I think that was the biggest thing. So I'm very fortunate to have those कायंड ऑफ पेरंट्स अँड दोज कायंड ऑफ टीचर्स. आय थिंक दॅट इज द व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. कारण तांणी सांगतनाच सांगलें की वाच, वेगवेगळे तरेची पुस्तकां वाच, वेगवेगळे तरेची गजाली बरय. वाय जर्नलिस्ट? इफ I can write, why not a writer? Why not a poet? Why not a playwright? Why journalist? So even to reach to that point of realization, तुवें एक्सपेरिमेंट करपाक जाय न्ही, एंड देन यू हॅव टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ युअर सेल्फ. आनी जेन्ना तें जातलें तेन्नाच यू वील बी एबल टू फायंड युअर फॉर्म. दे ओके, यू कॅन रायट वेल, यू कॅन टॉक वेल, you can face camera well, but then why only this? Why not that? And I think that this kind of freedom helps you reach that point.
Right. So you have a lot of family support.
I have a huge family support. I definitely have a huge family support. I am married. I have two children.
Okay, what are they doing?
No, my daughter is 7 years old. My son is 5 years old.
How much is your wife supporting you?
Yeah, completely. If she was not supporting me, nothing would have happened.
Alright.
One thing I can say, one thing, the part of that balance is she. I am the imbalance of the balance. My profession is such that I am the complete imbalance of the equation. She is the balance of the equation.
Alright. Okay.
To you.
Since you are a journalist, what do you have to say regarding these Molem issues which are happening? Like what do you have to say? What message?
It's a very simple thing. You cannot do public infrastructure to benefit private players. And now Chief Minister is saying that let us separate both. He is saying that your issue is coal, I will not allow coal handling, but let us allow infrastructure. So I think the trickiest part in this की 5 वर्सांनी आमकां खबर ना चीफ मिनिस्टर कोण आसतलो, आनी 5 वर्सांनी आमकां खबर ना जर तें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जर जावन पडलें जाल्यार वॉट इज द गॅरंटी की परत कोल हँडलिंग सुरू जावचें ना. सो फॉर मी these are the issues of survival of a state. की फाल्यां जर हें जालें जाल्यार गोंयचें कितें जातलें. I think that is a fundamental point. I think what people are saying is completely valid. Okay, you want to analyze the projects individually, let us do that. Power project, okay, गोंयाक कितलो benefit, private playersank कितलो benefit. Double tracking, गोंयाक कितले benefit, let us analyze and let us come to proper conclusions. But till then, you cannot go ahead with the projects.
तशेंच एक फ्रँकली क्वेश्चन विचारता तुका. हांव जायते फावटी तूं मिनिस्टरांक इंटरव्यू घेता. सो आयज तूं एक इंटरव्यूई आनी हांव तुजो इंटरव्यू घेता. सो हाव डू यू फील?
Unusual experience, but एक गजाल बरी आशिल्ली की you are asking me questions about my life. So many people who come on my show, they prefer to lie. So when it comes to my life, I don't have to lie. I don't have to lie.
Thank you so much. तुवें आयज हांगासर तुजो मोलादीक वेळ आमचे खातीर दिलो म्हूण आनी आमच्या चॅनला खातीर तुवें तुजो टायम यू मॅनेज समहाव.
Thanks.
आनी आमकां भेटलो म्हूण काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं.
Thanks a lot.
सो मच. पळयत रावात गोवन म्युझिक वायब्रंट.